Hello children, happy morning. How are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. You all had your breakfast? Very good. So we are going to see the continuation of the last class. So what is the chapter number? Yeah, it is chapter 7. What is it? Chapter 7. And the name of the chapter is Getting to Know Plants. What is it? Getting to Know Plants. We had seen many activities, so which we can easily do at home. Today also we are going to have one activity, okay? So that we will see in the class. So these are the content, right? We have completed up to leaf, stem, leaf. Today we are going to discuss only one topic, that is root. What is it? Root. This is the introduction. Everywhere we have plants. Without plants, the life in earth is not possible. Different parts of plant. They are flower, leaf, fruit, stem and then root. Today you are going to see a video which will be interesting. Okay. So keep watching. Don't skip the video. Okay. Importance of plants. So they are useful for us in many ways, like food, medicine, furnitures, providing us fresh air. So trees are very important for us. And the types of plants. They are trees, shrubs, climbers, herbs and then creepers. Okay. So these are all different types of plants. This is classified based on their stem. Then we have seen the first part, that is the stem. It helps to connect the root and the leaves. They transport the products of photosynthesis. Stems are part of shoot system. Shoot system is nothing but the part of plant which is present above the plant. Okay, above the soil. Next thing is leaf. Isn't it, children? Leaves are green in color, which helps. What is the main function of the root? Photosynthesis. There are different types of root. Leaf. I have shown you in the previous session. I have shown you different types of leaf. Okay, children. You can make a collage by collecting different types of leaf. This is a homework which I am giving you in this session. Okay. So collect different types of leaves. What is it? Different types of leaf. Paste it. Okay. And take a snap and post it in our Google Classroom. So this will be your homework for coming Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. So collect it and post it on Tuesday. So this will be your homework for coming Tuesday, children. Clear? Right. Then parts of leaf, that is the petiole, which connects the leaf and the stem vein, which is present here, and the central part is called as midrib and it is called as margin. So this broad part is called as lamina. And then we had seen about venation. So the veins which are present in the leaf, they are parallel venation and then reticulate venation. Okay, children? So transpiration. Transpiration is the process of water, is nothing but it is the process of evaporation of water from the plants. Transpiration is the process of evaporation of water from the plants. Take your hints note, write today's date, note all the points. And then what are the importance of transpiration? Allows to diffuse carbon dioxide and then keeps the plant cool. Absorption of mineral and water from the roots. So totally 3 points. That is the importance of transpiration. And then root. Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the root. I gave an introduction about the root in the previous class. Right? Roots absorb water and minerals. What is it? Roots absorb water and minerals and transport them to stem. They also support the plant and store the food. They also support the plant and store the food. Okay, children. Activity. I said you right, you will be having an activity. So this is the activity. For this, you need some seeds. Okay, that is the green gram. You can take green gram and then maize seeds, okay, and some cotton. I have that for you here, okay. I will be showing you. Look at here. I have that for you here. So what you have to do is, look at here, children. So I have green gram, but I don't have maize now, okay. So take some green gram, okay. Take some green gram and take some cotton. I have cotton, okay. Take some cotton. Wet this cotton. Wet this cotton by spraying some water. So you need to take 2 tubs. You need to take 2 boxes like this, okay. So keep some cotton in one and some cotton on the other. Like this you can split it and keep it, okay. See here. So one, you can have like this 2 cottons, and you need to wet this 2 cotton also and put some seed in this. In one you can put grams, and in the second thing you can put some maize, okay. So always this cotton must be wet, always, but not much more water, not to fill this with water, okay. It must be only wet. So then and there spray water on them, okay. Keep it for a week and observe that. Today also I am going to keep this, and I will show you after a week what is the process which took place. Okay, children. So I am also going to do this activity along with you. I am going to keep this today with some seeds. I have only one seed, so I put that one seed and I am going to show you what happens. Okay. You can also do this and post your work in the group. Okay. So you are able to see that these seeds germinates. What happens? These seeds germinates and the roots comes out. So here we are able to see 2 different kinds of roots which has grown on 2 different kinds of seeds. So based on this, the seeds are classified into 2 types. Look at here. I said right, maize and then gram. Look at the roots how it is. Look at these roots how it is. So here the roots are of different types. So we can look at here. We have different types of roots. Look at here how the roots are. Here it penetrates directly, but it has many branches. But this root has many branches. You already know there are 2 types of roots. Yes or no, children? You have 2 types of root. They are tap root and then fibrous root. What is it? We have 2 types of roots. They are tap root system and then fibrous root system. Look at how these roots are. So first have a look at tap root. They are narrow. They are narrow. But fibrous root, they have many fibers. So totally 2 types of root. Look at this example, it is grass. Grasses is the example of fibrous root here. Carrot and beetroot are given here. Okay. In addition to this, you have one more root, that is adventitious root. What is it? You have one more root called as adventitious root. Okay, children. These adventitious roots may arise even from the leaf also. Okay. So totally we have seen 3 different types of roots. They are tap root, fibrous root and adventitious roots. And then look at here, stem as 2-way traffic street. What is it, children? Stem as 2-way traffic street. street. What do you mean by this, children? What do you mean by two-way traffic? One may go front, one may come this side. Front and back, right? Two-way. So, here, stem act as a two-way traffic street. That means they can go and come back. Two-way means you can go and come back on that way itself. One way means only you can go, not to come back. Have you heard this one way, children? This is one way. Vehicles must not go on that side. Have you heard this? But here, stems act as a two-way. That means it can go and it can come back. So, how stem act as a two-way traffic street? That is, look at here, children. First, water and minerals are absorbed in the roots. What is it? Water and minerals from the soil are absorbed in the roots. So, these are transported to the other parts like leaf, flowers, etc. So, this red ones indicates the water and minerals which is absorbed from the soil, and they are supplied to or they are transported to other parts of the plant. So, that is the one way. It goes up. What is the second way? Look at here. As I said you already, leaf or the kitchen of plant, right? Leaves are the kitchen of plant. So, the food preparation process takes place in the root. And how does the food prepared in this leaf reaches the other parts of plant? So, that is also through the stem. That is also through the stem. So, what is the second way? The photosynthesis products from the leaves are taken to the other parts like roots and some other stem, flowers, etc. So, how does a two-way process takes place, children? The first thing is water and minerals are absorbed from the soil. These water and minerals are transported to other parts. That is the one way. What is the second way? The products of photosynthesis. What is meant by photosynthesis? Can you remember that? Photosynthesis. Right. Photosynthesis is the process in which the green plants prepare their own food. So, what is that equation? What is the reaction which takes place in photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrates and oxygen. So, plants take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. So, that is the process of photosynthesis. Okay. And the products of that is the food from the leaves, are transported to the other parts of the plant. So, this is where the stem acts as a two-way traffic street. Look at here. You are able to see two colored arrows, right? One is the red one, which goes from the root to the other plant. And the next thing is blue one. That is the photosynthesis product. Look at here, children. Where I am placing the arrows, just have a look at here. So, these photosynthesis products from the leaves are sent to the roots and also to the other parts. Okay, children? And we will continue the next thing in the next part.